Listen carefully to the passage. Try to understand the main idea and details. If needed, pause the video and listen again. You can replay the passage as many times as you want before moving on to the questions.
My favorite season is spring. I like it because the weather is warm but not too hot. Flowers start to bloom, and the trees turn green again. Birds sing in the morning, and the sky is often blue. In spring, I enjoy walking in the park, riding my bike, and flying kites with my friends. I also help my mom in the garden. We plant tomatoes, carrots, and some pretty flowers. Everything looks fresh and colorful. Spring makes me feel happy and full of energy. After the cold winter, it's nice to be outside and enjoy nature. That's why spring is the best season for me.
Now, it's time for the quiz. Answer the following 5 questions based on what you just heard. Write down your answers and check how many you got right. Don't forget to share your score in the comments.